Vitamin C, yes, an on-trend ingredient, but it's been around the whole of my professional career and as an industry judge and therapist as well. And ingredients sort of go around in cycles. But however, vitamin C nowadays is much more modern, there's much more choices to it. So I wanted to share with you really how to get the efficacious vitamin C. First of all, vitamin C, why do you use it? Vitamin C is targeting pigmentation problem areas, uneven skin tone. It's also fantastic as well at collagen production and as a firming agent in the skin, as well as vibrancy, energy, firmness to the look of the skin. But it's got to be the right percentage, the right concentration, and it's also got to be in an active form, i.e. if it's diluted with water and it's unstable, it's not going to work. All it is a smell and probably a colouring agent in a product. However, if you're buying vitamin C in its purest form, then you actually get vitamin C in its powder, and that's where you sometimes get powder that you add to product because that is instantaneous, giving you a burst of the vitamin C. If you're buying vitamin C in serums or in encapsulated in little gelatin capsules, things like that, then you're looking for vitamin C that has actually only got oil mixed with it. So silica or oil mixed with it to actually give that smooth spread feeling, but it's not water soluble, because water soluble, i.e. aqua in the INCI listing, is actually going to denature the vitamin C and it's going to be useless. If you are buying it in like a cleanser, a mask, a moisturizer or a serum, then you either want it anhydrous, so no water, or you need it encapsulated or vitamin C stable. So it needs to give you some information about stability of the vitamin C, and also look out for the percentage. When you're looking at vitamin C, a little sprinkle is not going to do anything. Again, it's just going to be a smell and a token that you're doing a nod to something that's maybe an ingredient that's on trend, but it's not giving a result. When you're looking at it, maybe about the 20% that you're looking at to actually see the difference on pigmentation, not maybe as strong as glycolics or something like that, but then your skin might not be able to take those, or you might use your vitamin C in between your glycolic courses, your retinol courses, then your vitamin C course, then your aromatherapy hydration course, so you can use it in that manner too.